Hi guys! For today's video, I will teach you how to add automatically subtitles in your YouTube videos. First, open your YouTube. Second, go to your channel by clicking your account profile or first letter at the top right corner. Then, click your channel. Click Manage Video and it will redirect to the YouTube Studios. From here, you can see your list of videos. Click the video that you want to add a subtitle. In this section, you can add title, description, and thumbnail. Scroll down and click Show More. Just scroll down and find the language and caption certification. After you choose your language, click Apply. Once you switch on inside the closed captioning with your language, then come back to the subtitle. You can see here your video and now it's published. Then, here you can see Edit. You can check the subtitles if there is wrong with the transcription. Then, that's it. You successfully added automatic subtitles in your YouTube videos. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.